guys, it's Odette here. Welcome to today's video, and I hope you guys are all doing well today, and I hope you guys are all safe as well. So in today's video, we are going to be doing the 10 minutes makeup challenge. Yes, we are. I wasn't tagged in this one. I was tagged by HD Signatures to do the 5 things I cannot live without, but I think that should be coming up in the next couple of videos down the road. But we are going to attempt the 10 minutes makeup challenge. But I have to say that I've cheated a little bit. I really have. But I'm just going to let you guys see what I've cheated with. I mean, it's not going to be a challenge if I cheat, right? But I mean, I just did a little guide on my brows, just right there, just to get me started. Although I'm going to tell you guys, I tried to do the abs in 2 weeks challenge. The Magnum ice cream was calling my name. I couldn't do it. For 1 week, I was doing my workout, doing the stretches, doing the planks and everything like that. And whenever I open up my refrigerator, I see the Magnum ice cream lollies, and I'm thinking, okay, I can't lie to you guys. I really can't. I really cannot. Anyhow, but it's on my mind to do. I'm going to attempt it another time. So I do have my watch here, and 10 minutes is set. And there we go. So we are going to be counting down the clock right now. Let's get started. So we are going to be doing the brows. This is the Benefit Brow Pencil. So let's get going. So I'm going in with my NW45 Concealer. I'm just going to make this look a little neat. And I think the brows takes a lot more time. And I know they're not going to look the same. One's going to look up, one's going to look like it's halfway down. Just try and fix that on this side. Okay, so I am just going to use this palette from Essence. It's the Epic Sunrise palette, and just to give my eyes just a little bit of color, because I just want to be able to have the basics if I'm going to be doing this in 10 minutes. So we do have, I think it's a contour color right here, but I'm just going to use that. It's really, really deep, but I'm just going to use that just in the hood, just to give me a little bit of color. And I'm not going to be fast forwarding this clip. I'm just going to be doing this for you guys so you can see what I can do in 10 minutes. I've got 7 minutes left. It's counting down. And so I'm going to take another brush, and I'm going to be going in with, I think it's called Dusk. And this just goes right on the hood, right there, just to give me a little bit of something. And I think that's all I want to do with the eyes right now. I am going to be doing some color correcting, and we're just going to do like that pretty quickly. I'm going to use a brush and blend. I've got 6 minutes. I'm going in now with my foundation from the Collection beauty brand. This is called Warm Mahogany. And we are just going to put some foundation on. This is a really good foundation to have, guys. It's a really good one. It dries pretty quickly. It does not oxidize on the skin. And it's a good matching foundation as well. I think that should be plenty. And we are just going to blend. I've got 5 minutes. Let's see what I can do in 5 minutes. I am going to use my Collection's pressed powder. Then I'm gonna go in with my NW45 powder from MAC. Hit and pen with this one. I've got 4 minutes, guys. I've got 4 minutes. Oh my God. Okay. There we go. And I do have time to cover my foundation. So I'm just gonna line my waterline with the black eyeliner from Collections. I've got 4 minutes left, guys. 4 minutes. Let's work on the lips. I'm gonna go in now with my lip balm from Rituals. I guess we can really do it in 10 minutes, right? Ah! Come on. Three minutes. Lipstick. This is from Essence. I'm going to take my lip brush and blend. I'm going to go in with some mascara. Yeah, come on. I've got 3 minutes, 12 seconds. Two minutes, 57. And this side is not looking. Where's that brush? Quickly, come on. Ah! Just want to make sure this is nice and clean here on this side. And I'm just going to take my gel eyeliner and bring this out a bit. Give me a little color on that side. I got 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. And I'm just going to take the white eyeliner. And I'll do something like there. And this is the mattifying powder from Essence. From Essence. And we're just going to mattify the face. This is my mattifying setting spray. And we're just gonna fan quickly. One minute left. 1 minute, 17 seconds. Let's just make sure this is nice and dry. We're done. I've got 1 minute and 5 seconds left in this makeup challenge, guys. Oh my God. That was cool. That was not bad at all. Let me just pull the hair down. So I've made it in 10 minutes with a few seconds to spare. What do you guys think? It didn't turn out to be too bad, but I think if you're going to be doing a 10 minutes makeup challenge, you're going to think of what do I want to put on my face, because you want to have the eyebrows looking kind of half decent. You want to have a little bit of color on the eyes, you know, the mascara, some eyeliner, foundation, and some lipstick, and you're ready to go. And I think I did good for for 10 minutes. Not bad, but it's not something I can do every day. Even when I'm going to work in the mornings, when I get up in the mornings and getting ready for work, it takes me a little bit more than 10 minutes to put my makeup on, because you want your face to look good before you leave the house, right? Because you know you're gonna do all the prep work and all of that things and all those things first. But didn't turn out to be too bad. It's a good challenge. It really is a good challenge. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.